So fucking hot. So here's what we end up with. Now the main frame is 2 inches by 2 inches square. That runs all the way around the perimeter and one down the middle. These other two are just 2-inch angle. So 3 out of the 5 are square tube, 2 are angle. That, if I could get right in the fucking light, I would. It's somewhat rotten. From right here back to the front, that's where the original owner put a side gate on there that he eventually welded shut, never used, and it was a piss poor job, and it collected water. As you can clearly see, this piece of angle separating a little bit. This corner's good, kinda. That was the only corner holding together, and then this was squeaking and flexing. Terrible. This just snapped, and I welded a mower blade underneath it, but that was too little too late. Big bucket of hardware, 10 pounds of hardware. So there you go, man. It's ready to haul. It can be yours for $250 down and $79.95 a month. Some dude was making these on the side of the highway back in 1942 when it was built. Oh, wrenches. Ratchets. See what a real trailer's built like. Oh my. It's a C channel. It's got springs. It's 3 inches, 3.5. Thing is, I don't know how to get this wood out of here when it does rot.
Maybe that piece comes off. I thought that was solid. It is not. Anywho, you can't even tell that one's there when you're pulling it. Even when it's empty. When this bitch was empty, this no suspension having motherfucker, boy, it would beat your fucking teeth out. And right now it's about 397 degrees. So I'm taking this operation inside. I'm done with this bullshit. I need to be paid to work in this heat. But nobody's paying me, so I'm quitting. What happened? It got hard, so I quit. Get out there, you son of a bitch. So anywho, I got my my weed eater bars. I need to put it on the new trailer. Taking the wheels off, and then I'm just cutting it up into trash can sized pieces and throwing the rest of that shit the fuck away. Except that lumber, you can have that lumber for about I don't know, 2,500, 3,000 right now. That's a fucking deal. One more thing before I go in. I just had a regular hitch pin in there, and that makes it easy enough for somebody with a receiver just to pull your pin out and take your trailer. So I bought a cheap ass locking one that basically keeps honest people honest. And then I have a Avis. Takes a lock pick about 15 minutes to pick that lock. So you can't get it off the ball and you can't get it out of the receiver. And I just ordered $50 worth of locks, which is 2 decent locks. Not good ones, but decent. I'm gonna drill a hole right there. And then when I take the trailer off the ball, stick a lock through there. You can't put it on a ball. Thanks to a YouTube commenter for that. Because a real lock for a ton costs $270. Ain't got it.